Welcome back to CarMaster. Today we're exploring the 2025 Toyota Sienna, a minivan that combines practicality, luxury, and hybrid efficiency, making it the ultimate choice for modern families. The 2025 Sienna boasts a refreshed design, featuring a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic body. This gives the minivan a sporty, stylish look, while maintaining the spacious, functional design that families love. With 18-inch alloy wheels and a lower roofline, the Sienna stands out both in the city and on long road trips. Under the hood, the Sienna is powered by a hybrid powertrain, offering a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors, delivering 245 horsepower. The hybrid system ensures excellent fuel efficiency, with an estimated 36 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most efficient minivans on the market. Plus, the available all-wheel drive option gives you extra control and confidence on any terrain. Inside, the Sienna is all about comfort and versatility. It features a spacious interior that can seat up to 8 passengers, with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and available leather-trimmed seats. The second-row captain's chairs and the sliding super-long slide feature make it easy to adjust for maximum comfort and legroom. The Sienna also offers a large cargo space with flexible storage solutions, perfect for family adventures. Tech-savvy families will appreciate the 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. The rear seat entertainment system with built-in screens will keep passengers entertained on long trips, while multiple USB ports ensure everyone's devices stay charged. The 2025 Toyota Sienna is also packed with advanced safety features, including Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes pre-collision detection, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors. The 2025 Toyota Sienna is the ideal blend of efficiency, luxury, and safety, making it the perfect family vehicle for today's drivers. Stay tuned to CarMaster for more in-depth reviews.